Verstiegel Amundi International Fund has shown strong resilience in a more volatile market environment, both year-to-date and since August last year. Year-to-date, markets have registered quite a roller coaster ride. After beginning the year with a broad sell-off, markets strongly rebounded as prospects of further monetary accommodation eased the growing concerns. After falling materially less than global equity indexes in the first 6 weeks of this year, the fund participated relatively well during the rally from mid-February to end April, thus explaining the positive results. Downside protection against uncertainties. Firstly, as we seek to only invest in stocks where we can find discounted investment opportunities, these were the worst performing areas in the sell-off. Thus, the absence in the portfolio was a strong contributor to the fund's resilience. Besides our stock selection, gold-related securities have also strongly supported the fund. Growing risk aversion has supported gold price, thus playing its diversification role in our portfolio. Our prudent stock selection, with emphasis on minimizing the risk of permanent capital loss by seeking to only invest in companies trading with a material discount to our estimation of their fair long-term value, is the primary contributor to returns. Cash to capitalize on market opportunities. The main portfolio evolution resides in our exposure to cash and cash equivalents, residual of our stock picking approach that we use as deferred purchasing power during periods of distress. As market volatility increased, a growing number of investment opportunities trading at attractive valuations occurred, allowing us to deploy cash. The investment team initiated, for example, a position in a global luxury company as concerns around China have pressured its stock price into what we believe are attractive levels. Or in a European energy-related company, the fall of oil prices has triggered a generalized sell-off in energy-related stocks, thus offering a material number of investment opportunities in that area over the past 12 to 18 months. Thus, the decrease in overall cash and equivalents already registered in 2015 continued until mid-February. After reaching 12% when markets bottomed out, cash exposure followed markets upwards to end May just below 24%, positioned to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities. At Verstiegel, we believe crystal balls are very foggy at best. Rather than trying to forecast the zigzags, we seek to build an all-weather portfolio able to participate in upside markets while showing resilience during downside periods. We therefore focus on understanding the longer-term challenges and opportunities of a changing world. We have more debt in the world today than prior to the global financial crisis. At the same time, we have slowing global growth and we are facing a structural deflationary trend triggered by the transformation of our economies. Unsurprisingly, we are also seeing increasing social and geopolitical tensions around the world. Being value investors, we believe in 3 things. Firstly, margin of safety. Secondly, diversification. And thirdly, patience. Holding cash and cash equivalents when discount opportunities are less abundant and use it as deferred purchasing power when market volatility rises. We also believe that gold-related securities can be a valuable potential insurance policy against extreme and unpredictable market events. In today's challenging environment, we believe in the value of scarcity and resilience. Companies that have the capacity to protect their cash flow or balance sheet assets against the risks that make the headlines and against those risks that come by surprise. But maybe most importantly, we thrive with patience as long-term capital growth is about compounding returns. A long-term wealth management solution. Verstiegel Amundi International Fund is a core long-term wealth management solution built to endure a more volatile market environment. The underlying investment strategy has a successful 37 years track record, and the Luxembourg fund vehicle is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. Time-tested, the strategy has repeatedly proven its capacity to show resilience in volatile markets. Easy to understand, stable, predictable, and over the long term it works. It's the sleep well approach.